COPWATCH, policing the police every single day.
9:30.
Florida may soon become the next state that lets you carry your gun out in the open. A new bill has been introduced that would make it legal.
In other words, you wouldn't need a permit. NBC2 chief political reporter Dave Elias found out who's supporting the bill and its chances of passing in 2022.
Well, right now in Florida, even accidentally exposing your concealed weapon is a crime. Now, if this were a real gun, under the Florida bill, you would be able to openly carry it right out in public.
I just have out. No, I wouldn't feel
right now,
safe
Florida
with it.
only allows open carry while hunting, fishing, or range shooting.
When it comes to gun owners, they want every advantage and every right that they
John
possibly can
Desendorf
have.
runs Fowler Firearms, and while he supports open carry, he has some concerns.
Now, if you're open carrying inside of a store and somebody wants to come in and rob it, they might take advantage of you first because you're carrying
Gabriel
a firearm.
Cartelli feels that carrying a gun in public offers a sense of safety.
If, let's say, there was a shooting somewhere, like in a barbershop, for example, and somebody was carrying their gun, they could stop that threat before the cops even get there.
31 states allow people to openly carry a gun without a license.
I would not feel safe. I would be like, what the freak? I would be so shocked, like,
Florida is one of just 4 states outlawing open carry.
Protection is our Second Amendment right, and the right to bear arms is very important in this country.
Elaine Walker, though, is against flaunting firearms.
I would feel very concerned for my neighborhood because a lot of people aren't responsible.
Now, carrying openly isn't anything new. In fact, most states have some form of open carry laws. Florida has tried several times to get one passed, but so far has been unsuccessful. In Lee County, Dave Elias, NBC2.
Representative Anthony Sabatini. At Anthony Sabatini. Today I filed House Bill 103, Constitutional Carry, in Florida. This bill eliminates the unconstitutional permit program which requires law-abiding Florida citizens to ask the government for permission and pay money before carrying a firearm. It also allows for open carry. Florida House of Representatives. Q. HB 103, Carrying of Firearms Without Licenses. General Bill by Sabatini. Carrying of firearms without licenses removes requirement that license to carry concealed firearm is required in order to carry such firearm, limits areas in which concealed carrying of firearm is prohibited, revises criminal penalties, revises provisions relating to carrying of concealed weapons or firearms by non-residents, provides for issuance of concealed carry licenses for reciprocity purposes, specifies person not otherwise prohibited by law from possessing firearm or other weapon may own, possess, and lawfully use firearms and other weapons, ammunition, and supplies for lawful purposes.
In Florida.
A new bill filed today aims to do away with restrictions on carrying guns, both concealed and while openly in public. Action News Jack's Megan Moriarty is live in downtown Jacksonville. Megan, this isn't the first time a bill like this has been filed.
John Tanika, Representative Anthony Sabatini, he has filed this bill 3 years in a row now. Now, if it is passed, it would not require a permit for a gun owner if they wanted to carry their gun in public. It would also not require them to conceal it. 2 things that are a law right now, and if you don't follow it, it could end you up behind bars. I spoke with people on both sides of this issue. House Bill 103 aims to relax gun restrictions in the state of Florida.
If they're a law-abiding citizen and this bill passed, they can carry a firearm without having to ask for government permission.
Republican Representative Anthony Sabatini of District 32 is proposing to eliminate both the permit and fee associated with freely carrying a gun in public.
The second part of the bill is open carry. So you're allowed to carry a firearm on your person, even if it's not concealed. You can carry it on your waistband, for example.
While some support the bill, others aren't on board.
That's going to take us back to the Wild West days.
Donald Foy is the president of the group Mad Dads in Jacksonville. The organization aims to reduce gun violence in minority neighborhoods through education and by providing a positive presence in these areas. Foy believes this could cause more harm than good if passed. Sabatini says this would only impact law-abiding citizens.
This is a bill about freedom in the Bill of Rights and protecting the rights of constitution-loving American patriots.
We're not saying that you can't have a gun. At least have some structure with it where you have to get a license, you have to get a permit.
I also reached out to the Republican committee chairman, Representative Corey Byrd, who pushed down this bill. He rejected it back in the 2021 session. I have not yet heard back from him. Downtown, Megan Moriarty, CBS 47 Fox 30 Action News Jax.